Good day, everyone. I welcome you to MLAC online tutorial, and today we will be talking about redox reaction in chemistry. Redox reaction in chemistry. All right, quickly, what is redox reaction? Now, redox reaction is a combination of two words, which means reduction and oxidation. So this redox reaction here is a combination of these two words, reduction and oxidation. Now, in every reaction in chemistry, now it's either an element is being reduced and the other oxidized, or vice versa. So let me take for this reaction a simple reaction, a simple demonstration. This is A and this is element B. So there is a transfer of electron from A to B. Now this is the electron here, which means now that an electron leaves A and get to what? B. Now, in a nutshell, using this as an illustration, now it means that this electron loses electron and this electron gains electron. So in a nutshell, now this overall illustration here depicts a reduction and oxidation reaction. Now in this case here, oxidation took place here because there was loss of electron, and reduction took place here because there was gain of electron. In a subsequent video, I will explain why reduction is a gain of electron. All right, let's move further with this other demonstration here. Now, to further buttress or explain further in a simplified form what reduction and oxidation means. Reduction here means a gain of electron, and oxidation here means a loss of electron. So in a chemical reaction, when there is a reduction, it means there is a gain of electron, and when there is oxidation, it means there is a loss of electron. Now, so in a chemical reaction where there's reduction, it means such element has been reduced, and in oxidation, it means an element has been oxidized. And I believe you're following. All right, now let's get started proper with a chemical reaction to explain further what reduction and oxidation is. Now, looking at this chemical equation on the board, here we have sodium combining with chlorine to give you sodium chloride. Sodium plus chlorine to give you sodium chloride. Now with this, this is a proper illustration of redox reaction. Now, but you must first know that for every element in its ordinary state, it has a zero charge, and in this zero charge we call it a neutral charge. A neutral charge, now, which means it possesses no charge at all. All right, now, but this is before the reaction. Now, after the reaction, oxygen becomes positive here and chlorine becomes negative here. Now, to explain further, sodium here with its electronic configuration of 281 and chlorine 287. Now, sodium gave out this one electron to chlorine. Now sodium is now having 2,8 and chlorine having 2, 8, 8. And as such, chlorine has lost this one electron here to chlorine. Now here is it. Sodium here, looking at it here, and chlorine here. Permit me, let me just give a better diagram here. Now for the fact that sodium loses an electron to chlorine, so here oxidation occurred. Now for the fact that chlorine gained an electron from sodium to become negatively charged here, now reduction occurred here. So sodium here is oxidized and chlorine here is reduced. Okay, let me put it here, reduced. So here we have it. Now sodium giving out its electron outermost shell to chlorine to form its octet outermost shell here. Sodium from 0 becomes positive here. Now that's by attaining the oxidation, that is having sodium undergo oxidation. Now chlorine here from 0 to minus here undergo reduction. So in a nutshell, this is a chemical reaction that depicts oxidation and reduction. So in a nutshell, oxidation loses electron, while reduction gains electron. All right, thank you and God bless you. Watch my video, every of my video on mathematics, physics and chemistry. Thank you and God bless you.